Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can design a professional newsletter using Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the print products section, and here there are a few categories, which is popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, cards, and invites. Now go to the marketing section, and here if you scroll down on the list, you will find the newsletter, which has a 21 by 29 centimeter size. When you tap on it, it's going to open up the editing page, and it will have automatically the exact size and settings for a newsletter. And from here, you can either go and add your own texts and photos from the Canva library, or you can go and use one of these templates that Canva offers, which are all created by professional designers, and they are optimized for high engagement and sales. So I would really recommend using these. There are templates for any different kinds of newsletters, so I'm sure that you can find the one that interests you and it fits your niche. And when you apply one of these templates, it's going to add multiple pages to your newsletter. You can always add more pages, and from there you can customize it. You can change anything from the newsletter. You can add different images, you can change your tags, you can change pretty much everything, and it is very easy to customize. And there are hundreds of templates like this, so I think this is a lot easier and more cheap to use such templates than hiring, for example, a professional artist to create templates for you, or even to design it for yourself. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.